We are all about supporting local small businesses. I didn't really want to go into a corporate situation, so that is how we chose Pure Energy. Dale came over completely prepared, answered all of our questions, did a follow-up call because we did not order right away, and it was a great experience. We had the A-team, supposedly. That's what they're called. 9 guys showed up. They wrapped it up by about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They showed up at 8:30 in the morning. Professional, let us know what was going on, cleaned up everything. Incredible crew to work with. Love the windows. Love the fact that the birds don't wake me up at 4:30 in the morning. These windows replaced 35-year-old windows. They were bad. We love the windows. No complaints at all.